Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. In addition to being a little bit clumsy at my desk, I also have a dark wood color, and so I just wanted to kind of shake things up with a different color on my desk. So I really like this desk pad from KINGFOM. It comes in a really cute little bracelet holder that you just take off. And I have the 35-inch size, so you can see that it's a really nice wide mat. It's a high quality PU leather, meaning that it's not real leather. However, it is really durable and has a leather feel. You can see the texture on it. It's got a little bit of that leather look. And what's really cool is that if my desk did not need that much space, maybe I'm working on the kitchen table, I could still bring it down and just fold it in half and use it that way with my computer on top, and then it would be fine once I opened it back up. If I get tired of using it, I can go ahead and just put it aside anytime and keep it in the little holder. It works really well with my mouse, so I don't need a mouse pad if I don't want one. And I just like how it just adds a little bit of color to my desk, but also saves me because I am really bad for having coffee and accidentally knocking it over. And so this is just a really nice option. You can just go ahead and pick this up and take it right down and either clean it in the sink or just use a cleaning wipe to clean it, and it works great. Really like this desk pad from KINGFOM, and that's my point of view.